Welcome to another HeatWise tutorial. This tutorial will be on full project importing and exporting. So we'll start with how to export a project. There's a couple different ways. So one is within your list of projects, you can click the three dots here and you'll see this export option. And the other is if you're actually editing a project and you go to settings, you will see under general this export project button. Ignore the rest of this, please. This is for admin access here, but so yours might look different. But what you do is you just click the export project. You'll see that this file shows up here. It's a .HeatWise project, and this will show up in your project in your downloads folder once you download. So it shows up here, and then you can save it wherever you like, just like any other file. And you'll notice that the file size is actually very small, making it very easy to send or use or save and keep on your hard drive of your computer rather than in the cloud, if that is your preference. So once you have an exported project, this could be something that somebody sent to you in an HeatWise format, or something you exported from previously or sent to yourself. Whatever the case may be, you can now import it into the HeatWise application. And you do that from your main projects page, and you'll see this import project button. So you simply click import project, and you would select, you'd navigate to your file path, and you would open up the file, and it will say importing, and now it will update. And you'll see here that I've got two of the same name now because I had exported the previous one and imported this. But one thing you will notice is it does not carry the shared with things. So if I wanted to maintain a copy just for myself, I would have that there, but these are not in any way linked. So any edits made to one will not show up in the other. You'd have to overwrite the other one to cause those changes. So if we go into our folder or our project, you'll see that all of our information has been maintained. The only thing you should be aware of is that if a project was exported on a certain version of HeatWise, you may want to check or even note what the version is, and you re-import it, and it's a newer, updated version of HeatWise, there may be some inputs that don't carry over properly. So you may run into issues with that, with just vacant inputs or things that have been changed. So you'll always want to just double check and make sure that that everything is still working fine. So that's it for this HeatWise tutorial. We'll see you in the next one.